Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Banking Management. Nowadays online transactions has become very common and popular. It also banking highly convenient. Cashless payments are more preferred. There is no need to wait for a long queue at the banks. All the preferring online transactions with safety. Moreover, with the online website banking's option available for the most bank transfers and payments have more become easier. Our project provides an online banking system facility. In this project, we have three modules. Those are admin and customer buy products. Through this website, we will buy the products also. So coming to the flow diagram of the website, this is the flow diagram of the website, and here the admin will log in into the website with the predefined credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, that admin will add and view the branches of the website. Branches of the bank branches will be added by the admin, and he can view the branches in a view branch page. So after viewing the branches, the admin can add and view the transaction types like credit or debit. So like that, the transactions will be added by the admin. After adding the transaction, the customer will get registered into the website with the registered details like name, phone number, account number, and address of the customer and pin code of the customer. By entering all the data in the registration form, the customer will get registered into the website. After registration, the customer will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the customer will add and view the accounts, and he can also add the multiple accounts to this website, and customer can transfer the amount from the by clicking the transfer button. So in that, we have two types of options like transfer to own account and transfer to another account. So by clicking those buttons, the customer can choose the types of the transfers. So these all transactions will be stored in the view transaction page. So after viewing the transactions, the customers can buy the products through this website. So by clicking the buy products button, after selecting the products, the customer can enter the quantity of the products, and after entering the quantity, they can pay the bill for this particular product. So by clicking the pay bill button, they can pay the amount to the particular product through this website only. So let's get into the outputs. We'll see the output here I'm logging into the website as admin, so with the username and password. This is the home page for admin. Here the admin will add the branches to the website. So I'm adding the branches here. Branch name, branch code, state, city, zip code, address. Add branch added successfully. So after adding the branch, the admin can view the branches which are added by him, and this is the branches, admin added branches, and here the admin will add the transaction types. Those are credit, debit, like that. So I'm adding the deposit, transaction type code. So like this, the admin can add the transactions and view the transactions in the view transactions type page. So after adding this, the customer will log in into the website, register into the website first. So with the first name, last name, and email address, date of birth, here we can choose the date of birth of year. So date of birth and password, choose account type, so I'm choosing the saving account, and the phone number, SSN number, address, and choose branch, account balance, excuse me. So register. By clicking the registration button, the customer will register into the website. Oh, so after registration, customer will log in into the website with registered email address and password. This is the home page for customer, and here the customer can view the accounts, and this is the account number, saving type, and here the added registration. While registration, we are added this information into the website. So if they want to add the new account to this website, they can click on the new add new click on account button, and they will add the account. So I'm adding the checking account here by choosing the branch. So in the same branch only, we have two accounts, saving and checking ranks. So the customer can transfer the amount to their own account by clicking the transfer amount to own account. So we'll check the account number here. So account number, I'm transferring the amount to my own account. So I'm transferring the amount to saving account to checking account. So transfer amount successfully. Here we can check the amount of the saving account. Before I have 50,000, so now it is decreased to 40,000. Here I have 10,000 and increased to 20,000. Like this, the customer can transfer the amount to their own accounts. So transfer to another account. So if the customer wants to transfer the another account, that another customer also will log in into this website, register into this website. So I'm registering as a another customer here. So we will register with the name, last name, email address, date of birth, so SSN number, phone number, address, password, account type, and choose branch. So amount of the register. So registration successful. So after registering the customer, I'm logging into the customer with as first customer. So login. and I'm transferring the amount to another account. So we'll copy that another. We'll copy this and we'll go to another account and transfer the amount to Shweta. This is the another customer account, and here we have this. So this is the information about the account, and this person will transfer the amount to another account. So I'm choosing the account and receiver account here and choose the transaction type, amount. I'm sending the 10,000 here. So transfer, amount transfer successfully. Here we can view the transaction. Here we are entered 20,000 into this website account. Now we are shared 10,000 and remaining 10,000 will be displayed here. We can check the another account also. In that will added money will be added. So we'll check out that. So this is this 40,000 becomes the 50,000. So this transaction details will be shown in transactions page. So this is the transaction deposited while opening. This is the transactions which are done by the customer. So after viewing the transaction, the customer will log out from the website and buy the products through this website. So by clicking the buy products button, this page will be displayed. So here I'm buying one product here. So by clicking entering the quantity of the product, then we can click on the buy button and pay bill. We are paying the bill for that particular product. So I'm adding the product customer login here, login and pay. So pay amount, will confirm the amount. So confirm, amount transfer successfully. So we can see this buyed product history in the transactions page only. Transactions will be showed in the transactions page. So we can see the transaction. So online vendor and deposited 199. This will be displayed in the customer transactions page. So this like this the online banking system will work. This website is help to do the transactions in online. So hope this is the online banking management. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.